Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem tankless water heater code E5 too much water flow error solution. Fix 1 is reduce the hot water flow. Turn off one or more hot water faucets if multiple are running. Then slightly close the hot water tap to reduce the flow. Check if the E5 code disappears and not hot water returns. Second one is lower the water temperature setting. Press the temperature button on the controller, then lower the set temperature by a few degrees. Test the hot water again. Third one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water, power and water supply to the heater. Then remove the cold water inlet filter. Rinse away dirt or debris. Then reinstall the filter and turn the water and power back on. Fourth one is flush the heat exchanger. Turn off the gas, power and water supply. Then connect a flushing pump and hoses. Then circulate white vinegar or a tankless descaling solution. Throw the unit of 30 to 45 minutes. Then flush the clean water and restart the heater. Fifth one is reset the water heater. Turn off the heater, unplug it or switch off the breaker for about 5 minutes. Then restore power and turn the heater back on. Check if the E5 code has cleared. Thanks for watching.